Tent Factory, an international company with a central office in Moscow, its own production, creating a unique, premium-class tent structures. Our main principles: uncompromising quality, outstanding design, legendary arched tents, exceptionally reliable, and with a unique design created by the best world-class professionals. The incredible success of the line of arched tents inspired us to take the next step. The Tent Factory began developing new models of tents. We created not only metal structures, but also aluminum and wooden, including pergola, classic, spherical, Higada tents, exclusive models from the first ideas and sketches to drawings and prototypes, then to production and distribution. For more than a decade of experience, we have gathered the best engineers and designers from all over the world. We purchased equipment to create a series of pergolas with sliding roofs in 2019. We launched a new 7-space project for the production of pergolas, individual design motorized sliding systems. The best modern materials and unique technologies are a true breakthrough to the future. The Avant-Garde series, the Elegant series. We pay exceptional attention to the design, functionality, and quality of our designs. We are constantly working on creating the best tents in the world. Exclusivity, strength, magnetism, character. The brand we love. Tent Factory, quality in detail.